Today is officially Vlogmas day number 2. Yesterday was Vlogmas day number 1. It was December 1st and I did not film a single thing, and I have not been filming anything because for the past, like, I want to say 4 weeks, I have been sick. I've just been so freaking sick, and then Thanksgiving week I finally got better. Luckily, I had a good Thanksgiving and I got to film a video for you guys, which you guys will actually see before I post this video. It's the warm fall, I don't know what it's exactly going to be titled, but it's like warm, fuzzy, cozy, sort of like unwind with me video, and I got to film that, so I was really excited because I finally got to film something. I've been so dang sick, like reason why I can't film anything. I have so many people going by this window. I'm trying to hurry up and film this intro for you guys, but it's just like so many people keep going by. Anyway, basically today is Sunday. It is December the 2nd, and today I woke up feeling so terrible. I was in bed, I just wanted to sleep, and I had a terrible cough, and I was just sneezing, and just the whole 9 yards when it comes to a cold, and I just couldn't get out of bed, and I didn't want to do anything. But unfortunately for me, tomorrow is Monday, which means a whole nother week of work and school, and I would not be able to do anything. And basically for the past month, I have just kind of been getting through work and school, and then going home and just trying to like relax because I'm just so tired and just feel terrible and stuff. But I don't know if you guys can tell, I have a huge collective mess, but it looks like a tornado just freaking flew through my room. I can barely even sleep on my bed because there's just so much stuff. So for Vlogmas today, I'm literally just gonna clean my room. There's somebody screaming out my window. I'm not gonna be decorating this year for Christmas, well, my room in particular, because we are gonna be spending Christmas in New York, and yes, I will be taking you guys there. It's just ongoing. Endless stream of interruptions. I kind of had to move away from the whole window setting that I had because it just wasn't working. Basically, what I'm trying to say is that later in mid-December, I'm going to be going to New York and spending the holidays there, so I will be filming, and it's going to be so much more fun than being boring and like just being in my room for most of the beginning of December. I'm not going to be decorating this year, like I said, because I'm leaving, and I just didn't want to have a huge mess when I come back from the holidays and have to like put all this stuff away, and I'm really not going to enjoy all the decorations that I have in my room. So I did decorate at Eric's house, and obviously my parents' house has a Christmas tree and stuff, but my particular room just doesn't have anything Christmassy, and I'm okay with it. I'm fine with it. I just don't want to have such a huge mess when I come back. But I did decorate Eric's house, and we actually went all out. Well, he actually went all out. He had like bought like townspeople and like houses, and we created a little mini town, and I took some video footage for you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and insert that right over here so you guys can have a little bit of Christmas during this Vlogmas. So basically now I'm just gonna get to work and clean my room, get this all organized. Let me just show you guys how terrible it is in here. Currently the bed situation, where literally this huge pile of clothes has just taken over, and I just have a tiny little area to lay in bed and relax. I have a bunch of hangers and clothes that need to be put away over here. My chair, everybody has that one chair that's just like crazy overflowing with stuff. This is my chair, and as you can tell, it has just fulfilled its task of just holding every single thing and anything that it possibly can, up until the point that it's spilling out to the bottom. My desktop over here, my little table area, is is not that full of stuff, but still pretty messy, so I have to clean that up. Trolley or whatever, it's not even cute looking anymore. Like, it just has a bunch of stuff on it because I just don't want to clean it. And there's like my weave from Thanksgiving that I wore over there. I kind of want to do just a time-lapse video because I don't want to bore you guys with hours and hours of footage of me just cleaning up, or like half an hour footage. If I have some sort of energy, which usually tends to happen when I just get my butt up and actually do stuff, then I will take you guys along with whatever it is that I'm doing for the rest of today. So I just finished cleaning my room. As you guys can tell, I literally cleaned it all out, and it didn't even take me that long. I thought it was gonna take me about at least an hour because there was just so much stuff. Apparently I was moving really fast, or there just wasn't that much, and I was just, I don't know, I thought that there was a lot. So with my free time, it's currently 2:47. I think I'm gonna go ahead and edit my fall unwind video because it's literally about to be winter time and I still haven't even put out this fall video yet. So you guys are going to see that video first, and then I will be editing this video and it's gonna go up shortly afterwards. So I forgot to make a vlog outro yesterday, but today is another morning. Today is currently December 3rd and I woke up feeling so much worse than I did yesterday. I've been sick since Tuesday and it's only been getting worse. I went to the doctor on Friday because I thought I had strep throat. I went to go get a strep test and it came out negative, but I think that I need to go back again because I'm just really sick. I have to go to work today and I just want to be in bed sleeping. Also, I woke up this morning and my eyes were like shut together and then I was a little bit pink. I don't know if you can tell. I just wanted to let you guys know what the heck was going on so far. Hey guys, just wanted to update you on this morning's vlog and how crazy sick I was. When I came home from work, I ate my dinner and then I just relaxed for the rest of the night because I just felt like so freaking terrible. I wanted to film my intro video for Vlogmas, but that didn't end up happening. Pretty much just gonna end Vlogmas day number 2 because honestly, I just didn't do anything. Yeah, I just feel sick. I just want to get rid of this cold or whatever it is that I have. Yeah, it's just not fun. It's currently like 10 o'clock. I'm gonna go ahead and go to sleep. I just took some medicine. I'm probably gonna take like a couple cough drops just to like subside this dang cough that I just, it's the worst when you're trying to sleep and you just keep coughing and coughing and coughing. And it's always nighttime when you're trying to go to sleep. So yesterday did not have a good night and went to sleep really late, and then I had to wake up really early, and then I woke up just feeling, you guys saw how I woke up this morning feeling. So hopefully that does not repeat again tomorrow, Tuesday. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to inform you guys. I don't want to have just a morning sort of like weird intro for Vlogmas day number 2. I wanted to have some sort of outro. So yeah, I still am sick. I still feel super crummy, but hopefully I feel better tomorrow. I wanted to update you on the whole like sick situation, and I'm pretty sure I mentioned yesterday that I would be going to the doctor to see what the heck is wrong with me, because I knew that there was something clearly wrong with me. This morning I woke up with my eyes completely shut together, and it took me about a half an hour to like rub off all of the gunk that was in my eyes, and then when I finally did, my eyes were like pink, and I had to use eye drops. I'm like out of breath for some reason. I look like death right now. I went to the clinic, and it turns out that I actually have an upper respiratory infection. I have a lot of medication to take, so I basically took it, and apparently it's just gonna knock me out. I have to go to work tomorrow. I have to wake up at 5, so we're gonna see how it goes. I told my sister, just in case I sleep through all my alarms, if she could just come in here and double check on me and wake me up, because I have to make it to work tomorrow. I just wanted to update you guys. Basically, it is Vlogmas day number 4, and that is all I did. I probably should have like brought my camera along, but honestly I just wasn't thinking about it. Like I was just like, I have to go to the doctor and find out what the heck is wrong with me, and I wasn't really thinking about vlogging or anything like that. So I just wanted to update you guys on what the heck was going on, and why I really haven't been filming anything exciting. This is my Vlogmas day number 4, and just not been a fun beginning. Hopefully the rest of December is not the same. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, guys. It is currently Vlogmas day number, I skipped a couple, so it's currently Vlogmas day number 8, and tomorrow's gonna be the last day of my first week of Vlogmas, and I haven't done a thing. But today is Saturday. I don't have to like work or do anything work related, so today I'm gonna be filming my Vlogmas intro, because tomorrow I have to release this video. So you guys are seeing this, I don't know, maybe tomorrow, which is gonna be Sunday, which will be today. I don't know how this works. And after that, Eric wants to watch the Grinch movie, so I think we're gonna do that. And I am just gonna be getting ready. I feel like I've been rambling for like the past like 10 minutes, so I'm gonna start getting ready, and you guys can watch me get ready. I have to do my hair. This thing is like crazy. I just washed it yesterday and it's wild. Alright guys, so change of plans. I was gonna start getting ready, but I'm actually hungry and I have to take my medicine. You guys know, like that whole antibiotics thing deal. So I'm gonna be making myself my vegan cheese grilled cheese sandwich. So I have my vegan butter and I have my Violife vegan cheese. This is I literally forgot the flavor of this. It was like smoked provolone cheese. And then I have this, which is my Daya classic blend, special blend of cheddar, mozzarella, like shredded cheese. And I have to actually go to Whole Foods soon and get some more because I'm running out, and this thing is like, so I'm gonna be making that. With my look, and I put on this little reindeer like Christmas sweater, and I have some high-waisted jeans on. My hair's just not cooperating today. That doorbell means Eric's here to go, and I have my Christmas tree packed up and everything, so I'm gonna go. Finished doing the Christmas tree and have a little bit of it decorated, so this is what it looks like so far.
I put the little star things down there. It's not even, but so this I could do. And we're just gonna have the bottom showing a little bit. And that is the Christmas tree. And then Eric is wearing his little Christmas sweater.
For the video.
He said he's wearing it for the video. And he's making cookies because I asked him to make those little Christmas tree cookies for the video as well. So we're almost ready to start filming. Finished filming the intro to the Vlogmas videos, and then now we're on our way to watch The Grinch. I got myself some Dunkin'. It's been a long time since I've gotten Dunkin'. And then Eric got a little Starbucks drink. What is it again?
White mocha.
He got a white mocha drink, and then I just got my plain usual just mocha with almond milk. We got 2 cake pops. So we got to the movie theater and we're actually, what was it, Key? Like an hour early?
Yeah, 1 hour.
We're like a whole hour early and the movie's not starting. Great, my phone just fell underneath the chair. The movie's not starting until a whole hour. And I'm hungry and I really want Chinese food. And then we passed by this like pizza place and it was like, it smelled so good and I really wanted pizza and I couldn't have it. And then I watched as this girl pulled apart her pizza slice and the cheese was just like,
it was a woman
gooing off. No, it was a girl, a little girl. And I was like, wow, I wish I could have that freaking pizza slice. Lactose pause. So we're at Whole Foods now. Gonna get some food and getting my vegan cheese. It's right here. Yeah, I got that one and then I got this. Yeah, they're both good. And then I got that one, the smoked provolone. Parmesan. For chicken parm. So I finished watching The Grinch. I am back home. It's currently 9:02 and I am going to start editing the intro for the vlog, and then once I'm done doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and do start editing all of this footage for the vlog so that I can have it out tomorrow, which is Sunday, and that will be my first Vlogmas week because you guys know that I always do it. I always do Vlogmas in weeks instead of days. So basically I have all of my clips here and I am about to start editing. So I'm gonna call it a night for today, and then I will be back again tomorrow for Vlogmas day number 9. I hope you guys liked today. It was actually fun, unlike all the other days that I've had this entire week just being sick and stuff. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.